what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Okay guys, so we had such an amazing time in Montana. We spent just under 3 weeks in Montana, taking in all we could. Our time was split up by our quick trip we had to northern Idaho, but all in all, it was just a fun experience. The kids had a great time at camp, and we just had fun camping out and seeing a lot of the sights. It's so hard to encapsulate the trip in such a short video, but we hope that you guys kind of get a glimpse of our experience there. As you can see, we're washing the bus on our stop through Helena as we headed south to Bozeman, Montana. And we stayed a few nights in Bozeman, and that was just another beautiful experience, very beautiful area, and we enjoyed it over there. After that, we left Bozeman and headed down to Yellowstone. But it was just such a great trip, and we were so glad that we got to spend the time in Montana that we did. And we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please give us a thumbs up and share it. If you want to follow us along on our journey, please consider subscribing and click that bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.